YouTube. What's going on? This Beast and Beauty.
Hi, I didn't know you was recording.
You know what I'm saying? Got the little cub in the back too. So we're on
Hi, everybody.
a trip today. You know, just hanging out and showing y'all what we're gonna be doing today. So, how you think today's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be great. I so miss you guys. I didn't know he was recording, but hey. But I think it's gonna be great. We're gonna take y'all on a journey with us today. So we're back. I'm excited about it because since the world is starting to open up slowly, we finally get a chance to start back with doing a little bit of our journey. So guess what? We're gonna take y'all with us again. I'm so excited about this. This is what I've been missing, y'all. I really have. I've really been missing this. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm finna go and grab some gas right now.
Yes, gas is high out here.
So
very,
stupid.
very high. So high like weed. That's how gas is out here. See you later.
Cause at the end of the day, music is all we got. Music is all we got.
This is all we got. Break it down to him. Break it down. You know we got it. You know we got it. We 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 know we got it.
As y'all can see, we still rolling, y'all. We still rolling. We haven't made it there yet. We should be there in the next, what?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, so. See y'all again once we get there in 20 minutes, I guess. You want to say something, Tristan? Why?
I just woke up.
He said he don't want to say nothing because he just woke up. Yeah, he was asleep the whole time. Well, kind of, sort of along the way. So, like I said, see y'all once we get
That's like the
there.
train with GTA.
Mm-hmm.
See y'all in a minute.
Hey guys, we're going to Reno. See you when we get there.
Y'all, we made it. I am so excited. Guess what? I'm so excited, y'all, because I'm actually here because I'm finally get to see my baby. Y'all want to see my baby? Josh, say hi. I'm so excited. Josh, say hi. Look at my baby, y'all. Say what's up to everybody. Give me hugs. I missed you. Oh my goodness. And there go the infinite and one and only his girl. Give me hugs. I told you I was coming with the camera, girl. So anyways, I'm here. I'm about to get ready to spend time with my son and talk to him. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.